Girl Bri whips with your girl Bri. For Taco Tuesday, we're gonna make some shrimp tacos. This ain't Taco Bell, baby. With some like my spin on rice and peas. We're gonna make like a little mango slaw, a little dip. I'll make a little dip. We are going to start. So we're gonna peel and devein about a pound of shrimp. With everything, I like to mix a bunch of different, flavors from the experiences that I've had. When I was in Savannah, there's like that Southern feel. When I was in Hong Kong and I studied abroad, there's so much culture. That's really what I want my food to taste like. I want it to be a little bit of, a little bit of Bri, you know what I'm saying? She dropped it. I want to make sure that they're clean because I just dropped it on the counter. It's kind of dirty. Bam!
On fire.
Okay, so after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the oil going. So I'm going to just pour it. I'm going to turn on my oil to about medium high. Oh. Fish fry that I get from the store. Thing that I like mine a little bit crunchy. Some people like their shrimp super breaded. I don't like mine super breaded. I still want to taste the shrimp. So I'm gonna pour some of that in there. So I just poured it in the bowl. Are shrimp really like considered into pita? Like, do people fight for shrimp? And that's so sad. People don't fight for shrimp. Wow. The world is messed up. So we're gonna now take our shrimp that I rinsed and I cleaned off, and I'm just gonna, boom, it's gonna be so good. So my shrimp are now coated. So I'm gonna shake my excess batter. Shake it like a shot. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Hey, okay. Ooh, ooh. You hear my babies? Shrimp cake, they take a short amount of time to cook. And I like mine to be golden and crispy. So y'all can see what's going on here. Yeah. Ooh, these things look so good. We're gonna let these continue to cook and we'll get right back to it. First, so we're gonna do a mango slaw. I usually like to make a mango salsa, but I thought it'd be fun and funky to do something different. I'm thinking like, you want it to be about like a rectangle. What's the shape? I'm like French fries style mango slices. Ooh, French fries style mango slices. Ooh, French fry style. Oh, French fry style. To my rice and peas. I'm gonna do a few different things to this rice. I'm going to, baby, it's gonna have some flavor, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna do about a cup of kidney beans. And they can be like dark red canned, it can be whatever preference you have. What did I say I'm gonna do? How many things did I say I was gonna do?
I don't know. The third thing you had.
Huh? As well as coconut milk. That was what I was missing. So you're gonna add in about like, I like to say, sorry sometimes. So I like to add in about 4 pinches of thyme. I've got my rice boiling right now, and I'm gonna start into this mango slaw so we can keep things going, keep it fresh, keep it funky, keep it live while that's cooking. So then I've got my little mango French fries in here, and I'm gonna add about, I've already diced a red onion into, what are these? Like little teardrops, whatever you wanna call them. So I'm gonna add about, this is half of a diced red onion. Add that in. A few more mango slices. And then I'm gonna take a lime and just give it a nice little squeeze. And then I'm gonna take another quarter of a lime and just give it another little squeeze. Add some cilantro. Oh, you saw how I did that? Oh. I'm gonna add in 2 dashes of Creole spices. I don't even say dashes. I'm gonna say my own. Listen, these are That's what they are. We're gonna add some. Okay. So I'm gonna add that into the mango slaw. A splash of red wine vinegar. Mix it up, baby. Mix it up, baby. Mix it up, baby. I'm gonna let this sit aside because you want it to kind of soak in and marinate into those flavors. What am I missing? I've got the rice. I've added my flavor. All right, so now we're gonna make, I like to make like a little dip to go with mine because I don't want a dry taco. So I have some non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm gonna pour that right on in. I'm gonna add, this is about half a cup of a minced cilantro. You're gonna add that in there. Put my little whisk aside. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I eyeball, so y'all are just gonna have to follow with me. Half of a lime. You don't want it to be too limey. Okay. So you see, this is what it should look like now. We're just gonna go ahead. You wanna get a good mix on it so the cilantro can really work in there. And this is gonna just go as a drizzle on top of the taco. And then something else that I'm gonna do a little bit different because I am from the South, baby. I like things a little smoky. I like them a little smoky, so I'm gonna add in some mesquite smoke. Let me just a splash, because it's really, really smoky, but this will boost in the flavor. So I'm gonna add in a, oh, wait. You saw? See? I wish you could smell it. It's nice and smoky, super flavorful. It's gonna be funky and fresh, especially for these tacos. Now we've got our shrimp. They're fried and crispy. They're so good, you guys. I'm going to just build the tacos. So what I'm gonna do is I've already taken the time to grill my tacos a bit. Let's get into it. I'm gonna add in my shrimp. So I'm gonna add, I like my stuff to be a little pretty. I like, like a little dress up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just add a few shrimp. I'm going to add my mango slaw. Okay. And just chop that on there. Make sure it gets a nice little mango slaw. Whoop, whoop, make it rain. Make it rain on the taco. Make it rain. Fried shrimp, crunchy taco with the mango slaw, cilantro, lime, Greek yogurt, drizzle, and the rice and peas, the quick rice and peas, because you know what I'm saying? We got stuff to do. So that's what we got, baby. It's your girl Bri Whips. It's your girl Bri. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take a little test. Jess, you wanna come try it? My girl Jess is in the kitchen with me. Hey, Jersey Jess, you take the first bite.
All right.
You just want to get it.
No, let's bite it together.
Let's get a fork so we can try that rice and peas too, because I want a little bit of that. You want a fork too? Okay, so we're gonna take. I'm gonna try this part. All right. Now I need to know. You need to be real. Keep it 100. I don't want you lying to these people. If you want more sauce, do get more sauce. If you want more sauce, Jersey Jess. Right. Okay, we're gonna try.
We're gonna do a bite.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. I need another bite.
Y'all want to look that? You want to?
I like the sauce.
It's sauce, right? You want some more? Oh, baby, drizzle it. No. You gotta drizzle it, baby. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Basically, that was, super quick. It took less than 30 minutes. Bomb taco. It's a full meal. We got the drizzle. We drizzle in, baby. It's your girl, Bri Whips. Thank you for tuning in to the first Your Girl, Bri Whips, It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fresh. It's gonna be fiercely delicious. And if it ain't your girl, Bri. So thank you so much for watching. And hopefully you're inspired. And hopefully the people who can't season their food, I hope you watch this. And this is that type of meal. This is good. It's good.
wanna slam